Many video editors spend countless hours online searching for jobs, only to land low-paying gigs. But what if I told you there's a way to consistently attract high-paying clients and build a thriving video editing business? Well, in this video, I'm going to share 3 of my best strategies that I've used to earn up to $10,000 every single month in my video editing business. Well, if you think that figure is too much, you might need to change your mentality because there's a lot of money to be made as a video editor. Remember, video editors are in demand right now, so you need to position yourself to start making a lot of money. So let's get started quickly with the first strategy, leveraging YouTube. YouTube has been a remarkable platform for me when it comes to attracting the right clients. Even when I was starting out as a freelancer, YouTube helped me land some of my best clients that I still worked with to date. So if you have no YouTube channel as a video editor, my question to you is, what do you even think you're doing? As a video editor, first and foremost, you need your own channel that would help you publish content consistently such that you'll be able to attract those who need the same services that you're providing on your channel. But most importantly, when you start your channel, it's important to choose your niche because YouTube is kind of saturated right now when it comes to video editing. But the only way to stand out is to niche down, is to choose a particular segment. So you could become a music video editor or a corporate video editor with the sole responsibility just to help businesses, corporate firms with their products, photography, product videos, and branding videos. Or you could become a real estate video editor just to help real estate agents and those interested in buying homes. Remember that when you, after choosing a niche that you want to specialize in, you need to produce videos that are engaging, valuable, and most importantly, very helpful. You want a situation whereby people watch your video, an entrepreneur, a business owner, a real estate agent, a music director, producer, they watch your video and they just say to themselves, this might be the right guy we need to edit our videos. It's not about fancy transitions and animations and text flashing from every corner. No, it's about telling a story. Your project can be so organized that it will show, your output will show, it will show how organized you are. So take advantage of feedback, creating high quality video, and don't forget to add a call to action in every video you publish. So your description and also in your pinned comment, make sure you leave a link or a direction for people to reach out to you and hire you. So you need to start engaging your audience as well by responding to comments and discussions. Get into the conversation and just be part of what is happening. So when it comes to pricing your video editing services, don't undervalue your skills. Start by researching your industry standard rates and charge what you're worth. So don't be scared of charging $1,000 to edit a product video or to do an explainer video or to do a review. You could even charge more. I charge anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 to edit videos of such nature. It doesn't matter what people think. If your value is not within their budget, then you have to move on because there are other clients that are willing to pay you times 3, times 5, or even times 10 of whatever you are charging right now. So what kind of videos will bring you the clients you need in your video editing business? Well, it depends. There's no way to know exactly what you want. But for me, I started out creating videos on how to edit using CapCut, how to add transition in CapCut, how to mask in CapCut, how to keyframe, and all those things helped me gain clients because those who are looking for such hacks and tricks were excited, and some of them are not willing to implement it themselves. They just need someone to do it and they will pay just a token for the services, and I'm there for them. And remember, speed is also a crucial part of winning as a video editor. So if you want to satisfy the clients and always deliver on time, you need a video editing software that will help you deliver the job as quickly as possible, and that is why I recommend CapCut. They are not the sponsor of this video, but I use CapCut in all my projects, including editing this video, and it is not bad, yet it's not fancy because there's no need for that. YouTube is right now on easy mode, so no need of jam packing with all those transitions and all whatnot. Focus on telling the story and delivering value, and you'll be fine. Another awesome strategy for getting video editing clients is through YouTube comments and cold emailing. So start by identifying target channels that you want to watch all the time. These are the channels that you know that your audience visits, they watch religiously. You need to start taking notes of those channels so that you can watch them and then leave a very engaging and useful comment or respond to questions that people are asking. And from there, you could lead people back to your channel or to your website or to wherever you want them to go to get to know you more. So start responding. Remember, it's all about offering value. Don't spam comments or just push people away from being engaged, but instead show them exactly what they are missing, answer their questions clearly and accurately. And if they want to learn more, you could just send them to one of your videos. All you need is a micro action from them. It could be as simple as telling them they can just visit your channel or they can check out your recent video. And from there, you develop a relationship with them. So start networking with people in comments and also via cold emailing, because this would help you attract the right clients. Like I said earlier, we are in the creator economy. Everyone, including 18-year-olds or even those who haven't gotten to such age brackets, they are all ready to start video creation. They're all ready to become content creators, and they all need video editors. Remember, if you're not well positioned to attract these people that are looking for you, they will continue to elude you and go to your competitors. I'm talking about other video editors who know their worth and who have positioned themselves well, those who have a channel. So you need to find a balance between creating content on your YouTube channel to attract people, responding in the comments and answering questions and providing value, and also sending cold emails to those who might need you. Remember, you don't need too many clients to make money as a video editor. To hit $10,000, you might just need 1 or 2 clients, or just get a retainer, a big YouTuber or a big content creator who needs you full-time, and that could pay all your bills for the year. And I encourage you to start using CapCut because it has a lot of presets and templates that you can use. Keyframing and animation is easy on CapCut. Audio editing and improvement is also powerful, and there's a ton of exporting options that you can use to take your video editing to another level. I'm talking about CapCut. There's a video here that shows you how to master CapCut in 5 minutes. Make sure you watch it, and I will see you in the next one.